Elaine from Elaine's Creations here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Birds and Branches bundle. Here's the card, and here's the Birds and Branches bundle from Stampin' Up. There are lots of fun dies in this bundle, extra dies that you can use. So I'm going to show you how I use these extra dies. The stamp set has birds that you can color in with these two different stamps, either the whole bird or the wing of the bird, as well as a nest with eggs and tree branches and leaves and their little feet and dies to cut out their little feet too. It's really cute. There's also this edgelit die and this nice branch and leaf die too. So I'm going to show you how I've used all of these extra dies in this card right here. So I have used my die cutting machine, and I have first placed this die like so, and this die like so, centering this in between this die and this score line. And I would actually suggest bringing this down a little bit further just so that you can fit more of this leaf on top of the die. But this height works as well because you can just trim the leaf at the top too. So just run this through your die cutting machine like so, and then you will end up with this design. So we want to show off this pretty design. So we're going to place some Whisper White inside the card, and then that's going to show off this intricate die cutting. So I'm just going to go ahead and adhere this to the inside. Just going to place it right in the middle there, and then we'll close it up. And then I'm just going to add a little happy birthday in the middle. Just you can add whatever greeting you would like. And then I've already stamped and cut out the birds, so I've got my birds here. So I'm going to adhere them with mini dimensionals. So this bird right here, I'm going to put a dimensional on the bottom and this one on the top. Place this bird down here, and I'll place this bird up here. So it looks like I really don't have a lot of room, so I'm going to have to really modify that a bit, but that's fine. So I've cut out some of those leaves and branches, so I'm going to go ahead and trim some of these to kind of create what I'd like to over here. And then up here, I think I'm just going to use the small branch. So I'm just going to do this small one right here, and I'll trim that off. So you can modify the card however you like. So I'm going to use some liquid glue here. And we'll start with the one at the top. Where are my tweezers? Those would be super helpful. Let's use those. Okay, and we'll just place this up here, and then I'll trim any excess pieces that are hanging. And if you want, you can just take a block to hold it down for you while you're gluing on your other pieces. So now I'm going to place this up here, like so. And I'll get a block on that too. I think I forgot to put adhesive down here. I'll need some adhesive right there. And then this one, I should put some adhesive down here. So I'm straighten out my thing right here. So place this right here. And then I can bring in another block to kind of hold this in place. And I'm going to try to glue underneath this one right here. Whoop. So you want to glue the ends to make sure those don't come up. And then we're just going to trim off any excess pieces that we have. And there we have our lovely Just Jade card. The Just Jade and the Misty Moonlight are part of the new in colors. And these dies, when you place them on, just give the card an embossed look, just really pretty. So I am offering a card class, which includes 2 of these cards, 2 of these cards, and 2 of these cards. If you purchase the Birds and Branches bundle, you will receive these cards for free, the card kit for free. You just go to my website, elainescreations.net, and you enter the August hostess code, and I will send you this kit for free. If you already have the bundle, you can go ahead and use the hostess code and send me an email when you place a $50 order, and let me know that you would like this class, and I can still send you that for free as well. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all my latest videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.